So here in this question, the circuit shows in the figure, and we need to determine the current through the Zener diode. And given the Zener diode breakdown voltage as V2, which is 5.6 volts, and here are the four options for the current through the Zener diode. So here, this is the given figure, and in this we can assume that let I1 be the current flowing through A to B branch, and I2 be the current flowing through the Zener diode, and I3 be the current flowing through B to C branch. So using KCL at point B, we can find out the current through Zener diode. Like it will be I1 plus equals to I2 plus I3, which is 3.4 by 200 equals to I2 plus 5.6 upon 800, which is the Zener down breakdown voltage. So I2 comes out to be 10 milliamp hours. Sorry. So the correct option would be option C.